played on Thursday. That was
all good, James.
We
got this. Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was
higher.
Again.
2 over.
2 over. All right, here comes Lollipop.
Nice serve. That's up. You gotta move, Frank. I do intentionally put the net higher. You're obviously a screen. 2-0. Oh no! You talked too much. I know. 1-2. All right, your call. Oh, yeah. Hey! Jordan, that thing hit itself.
Bring it back in.
Score? 3-1. 3-1. Oh, okay.
Kill set.
Perfect.
Perfect kill set. Yes. 2-3.
Hey! Oh, Frank! Not ours. Go that way, puppies. Oh, they listen. Sorry.
3-3. Yes.
Good, you. Oh, you're outside? Jordan, sorry, buddy. Great job.
Seven, 5-2,
4-3.
4-3. I love it. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Oh!
I'll play it.
Okay. Boris?
Yeah.
Yes. You got it? Go ahead. Where? I got it. Michael. Okay. Go ahead, Jordan. Behind you. God, I gotta grab it. No one. Oh, shit!
That's me. Garbage.
Oh, yeah. 5-4. Oh, you're going. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Can I push that out more?
No, you were fine. Look, that was coming from behind you.
I can put it anywhere you want.
Totally fine. It was totally fine.
Okay. 5-all.
No one. Oh, I can't.
Sent it.
Shoot.
That's me.
No, you see it moving.
I'm being late. I got there so late. That was embarrassing.
Your call.
Yes, yes. Sixes.
Straight up.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the thing is, when you say straight up, you want it right next to me. Like, enemy is listening.
Oh, good luck.
All right. Great ball, James.
Yes, I'll try and cover. Here you go.
8-6.
Let's go now. The sentence itself.
Angle that's there for the front.
70. Yes.
You got the Shannonitis.
Right down the middle.
It's there.
Okay. So good call.
Middle.
Thanks, bro.
My bad. I just said I would.
Peter, where you at?
That's a good question. That's a very good question.
90. Hey! Oh God, I missed it. I jumped so far.
I saw him, but you're still calling that it worked.
Oh, I thought I was coming like a free treat Teddy. Oh God, I was right there.
Nice. There you go.
James, nice hits. Oh,
Over you. The middle.
8, 9?
Nice, up here.
I think you got 9, 10? 9, 10. Oh, yeah. Highline.
Aye. Yeah, never a bad idea. Never a bad idea.
1-9. Yeah.
Trouble! Trouble!
Mother.
Good idea. 2-9. Yeah.
Over line. Oh, come on, come on. I got it. It's yours, Peter.
Done?
Just barely.
Do you want me to set you on that or go over?
If it feels right to you go over, I trust your instinct.
Okay.
I promise to stay ready.
All right.
Head two.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Highline.
I should have swung on that. Instead of popped it up.
3-1, 4-1.
3-0.
3-0.
Yes. Over line. Great spot, Peeps. 1-3.
Oh, touch. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Come on.
4-1. Show me. Okay.
Oh no! It went right through, Jordan.
That was a great call. Great call.
Damn it, so sorry. Oh, great job, dude. Sorry. Michael. Go ahead. Oh, just up.
Uh-oh, trouble!
Oh, Frank!
What it is?
Jordan, my bad. So sorry. Yeah, oh no, and look. Yeah, 100% yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 3-4. My fault. I
You tight.
Switch break.
Good math. Woo.
Well, I didn't play on Thursday. I would have it.
Yeah. 5-3. 5-3.
Shooters. No one line. Oh shit! Jump higher, Frank. Jump. Great setting, James. Your call, sorry.
4-5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit it. Go ahead. I got you. Come on.
Oh, why? Straight up. Jordan, great dude. Good job. 6-3? 4? 6-4.
Yeah, 4-6. Yeah.
Go ahead now. Fucker!
No, that's perfect.
Great pass. Good pass. Good pass. 7-4. Cheers. Over.
Line. Yeah. Trouble. Up.
Ay! Pass on the other side.
Take control, brother. 8-4. Yes.
Over line. Gotta know how to go forward.
5-8? Yeah, 5-8.
Ay! Come on, Peter.
Sorry. 9-5.
Yep.
Michael.
She's
Highline.
still gonna go.
Yeah.